Hi, welcome to Think Big Digital, and in this video I will show you how to make your X account private. First, tap on your X app. Now, as you can see that my account is not private. If it was, there would be a small padlock icon next to my name. So how can you make your account private? Simply tap on your profile picture on the top left corner, scroll down, tap on Settings and Support. Select Settings and Privacy. Go to Privacy and Safety. Select Audience and Tagging. Now, there is not a single button that can make your account private. Toggling on the first option will only show your post to people who follow you, and you will have to approve each new follower. Toggling on the second option will make the videos that you post or send to someone via a DM not downloadable by default. So, if I toggle both of these on and then go to my profile, here you can see a padlock icon visible after my name. That means my account is private. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please comment down below and we will be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, please subscribe to our channel.